Greg Lورائیچی, a chef from Bordeaux in France, moved to China in 2002. Serving as the chief chef in big hotels at the beginning, he then started his own business in China.
My first time when I arrived here and I discovered China, where I was very impressed, and I want to discover. So the years after, I jumped to China and pushed myself to do something here.
In 2011, he opened a restaurant in East China's Sheimen that mixed different cultures into French cuisine. He believes that China is a land of opportunities for foreigners.
When you like to create, it's more easy if you do it here. Yes, I think China has a big opportunity for different companies and different stuff to develop.
In past years, he has witnessed the great changes that have taken place in Sheimen.
I can feel that Sheimen change a lot, still more and more beautiful. Government do a great effort on the environment and on the culture. It's beautiful, and I feel Sheimen my home.